all over Tamil Nadu, we have conducted agitation in all the districts condemning the sexual harassment happened for a girl at Coimbatore. It is very disheartening to say such incidences often happen in Tamil Nadu. And the government is very proud that they have caught the person within 48 hours. Why didn't they protect the womanhood of Tamil Nadu? And she was with her boyfriend. He was chased. So in Tamil Nadu, there is no safety. Such incidences are happening again and again. We strongly condemn the Stalin government. You better step down if you are unable to give protection to the womanhood. And the police, even when they find the culprits, they are not taking immediate action because they want to verify that culprit is having any connection with some of the share of the government. So this is again and again happening in Tamil Nadu. So we are in a stature that we have to have weapon in our hand to protect us. Otherwise we have to have martial arts, we have to learn martial arts, we have to have karate. Otherwise we cannot protect. Such situation is happening in Tamil Nadu. No, this collectively convey that women are not safe, and particularly in Bihar, after the prohibition, the crime against women has come down. But in Tamil Nadu, it has multiplied, it has increased, whether it is crime against women, whether it is sexual harassment, whether it is what all the atrocities against the womanhood, it has increased. Even the Bosco cases has been increased, but no stringent action taken against the culprits in Tamil Nadu. The culprits know that they will be protected. The women are not confident that they will be protected, but the criminals are confident that they will be protected.